if you are aspiring to work with Google, then in this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how you can apply for jobs through Google Career Platform. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to get started, just go ahead and search for Google Jobs like this, and if you press enter, you'll be taken to this Google Careers website, and you can see here's the official website, careers.google.com jobs. So go ahead and click on it, and here you'll be taken to this page where we have the current jobs listed. And as you can see, we have so many jobs. For instance, we have this engineering manager, product support manager, security consultancy, software engineer, customer engineer, and the list is just endless. Currently, you can see a summary of jobs available. We currently have 3,968 jobs, and you can go ahead and go through various categories. If you want a job based on a specific location, you can go ahead and choose it from here. If it is remote job, you can choose based on experience. You can also filter these based on skills and qualifications. You can also filter these based on degree. For instance, if you are pursuing degree, if you have an associate degree, bachelor's degree, master's, or PhD, you can also filter these. You can also filter based on job types, and you can see we have full-time jobs, part-time jobs, temporary jobs, and interns. If you check any of them, now you'll be able to filter or see all opportunities based on your selection. You can also choose based on organizations. We have here, for instance, DeepMind, Google, Waymo, YouTube, and the list is endless. These are organizations affiliated to Google, and also you can sort by any of these, maybe relevancy or date. Apart from that, we also have students. If you are looking for internship, you can go to the students, and you can see we have opportunities for internship, early careers, all the way to building your future, and the list is also long here. So from here, go ahead and choose the job that you want to apply for. For instance, if you want to choose product support manager here, you can see this is based in USA. The company is Google. You can go ahead and click on learn more, and this will give you details about minimum qualifications, preferred qualifications, and about the job. You can see the job description down below. So if this is for you, you can also confirm the application window. You can see this will be open until this date. Now, if you're still within time, you can head to apply. From here, you'll need to go ahead and create your profile, add your details, upload your resume, then submit profile and continue to make your application. So the application process is just as simple as you can see here. So that's how you can find and apply for Google Jobs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.